Jelly-Fit weight loss drops are marketed as a plant-based, metabolism-boosting solution that reduces cravings and burns fat. But the real question is whether they actually work or just follow the usual supplement hype. What it actually claims. According to its own site, it's supposed to suppress appetite, boost metabolism, increase energy, help you lose weight over weeks. These are standard weight loss supplement claims. What it actually does well: convenient format. Liquid drops are easy to take and may absorb quickly, though this doesn't guarantee better results. Possible mild effects. Ingredients like green tea extract or berberine, commonly used in these formulas, can slightly support metabolism or appetite control in some people. Where it falls apart. No strong independent proof. Most results, like losing 8 to 27 pounds in 90 days, come from the official website's own data, not independent clinical studies. Typical supplement pattern. Claims like boost metabolism, crush cravings, are common across dozens of similar products, not unique, not a fat loss shortcut. Weight loss still comes down to calorie balance. No drops can override overeating. Heavy marketing signals, large discount offers, limited stock urgency, thousands of verified reviews only on their own site. These are common in aggressively marketed supplements. So, do they actually work? Short answer, maybe slightly, but nothing significant or reliable. You might feel less hungry or slightly more energetic. You will not get major fat loss without diet changes. Results are inconsistent and often overstated. Bottom line, Jelly-Fit drops are not a proven weight loss solution. They may provide minor support, but the big claims, like significant fat loss from drops alone, are not backed by strong evidence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.